In the digital economy, content is no longer just a form of expression. It has become a business model, a way to generate income, build influence, and create long-term financial freedom. But as more people enter this space, a common question continues to surface. If you had to choose one path, which one actually makes more money, podcasting or blogging? At first glance, both seem similar. They both rely on content, audience, and consistency. But beneath the surface, they operate very differently. And those differences directly impact how money is made, how fast it grows, and how sustainable it becomes over time. The rise of digital creation. Over the past decade, the internet has transformed the way people consume information. Written content once dominated the space, with blogs becoming the primary source of knowledge, opinions, and tutorials. But as attention spans shifted and mobile usage increased, audio content began to rise. Podcasting emerged as a powerful alternative, offering convenience and accessibility. People could now consume content while driving, working, or exercising. This shift created two parallel paths for creators, one rooted in text and search engines, and the other in voice and direct engagement. Both have grown rapidly, but their monetization models evolved in very different ways. Understanding blogging as a business. Blogging is often underestimated because of its simplicity. It starts with writing, but over time it becomes something much larger. A well-built blog turns into a digital asset, one that attracts traffic through search engines and continues to generate income even when the creator is not actively working. The primary strength of blogging lies in its ability to scale passively. Once an article ranks on search engines, it can bring in visitors for months or even years. This traffic can then be monetized through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and digital products. The key advantage here is longevity. A single piece of content can continue to earn long after it is published. The economics of podcasting operates differently. It is less about search and more about connection. Instead of attracting random traffic, podcasts build loyal audiences over time. Listeners return regularly, forming a stronger relationship with the creator. This creates a different kind of value. While blogs rely on volume, podcasts rely on trust. Monetization in podcasting often comes through sponsorships, brand deals, and listener support such as memberships or donations. Because the audience is more engaged, advertisers are often willing to pay higher rates. However, growth in podcasting is usually slower. It requires consistency, personality, and time to build a dedicated listener base. Passive income vs. active engagement. One of the biggest differences between blogging and podcasting lies in how income is generated. Blogging leans heavily toward passive income. Once content is created and optimized, it can continue to generate revenue without constant updates. Podcasting, on the other hand, requires ongoing engagement. Episodes need to be recorded regularly, and audience retention depends on consistency. This creates a trade-off. Blogging offers long-term scalability with less ongoing effort, while podcasting offers deeper audience connection but requires continuous input. The question then becomes not just which makes more money, but how that money is earned. Traffic vs. loyalty. Blogs are designed to attract traffic, large amounts of it. A successful blog can reach thousands or even millions of visitors through search engines. But that traffic is often unpredictable and less personal. Visitors may come once, find what they need, and leave. Podcasts, in contrast, focus on loyalty. Listeners subscribe, return, and engage repeatedly. This creates a smaller but more dedicated audience. And in many cases, a loyal audience is more valuable than a large one, because trust leads to higher conversion rates. People are more likely to buy, support, or engage when they feel connected to the creator. Monetization potential comparison. When it comes to pure earning potential, both blogging and podcasting can be highly profitable, but they scale differently. Blogging has a higher ceiling in terms of passive income. With strong SEO and high traffic, Blogs can generate consistent revenue through ads and affiliate links. Some blogs earn thousands of dollars per month without daily involvement. Podcasting, however, often generates higher income per audience member. Because of the strong relationship with listeners, sponsorship deals can be more lucrative on a per-listener basis. But reaching that stage takes time. It requires building credibility and maintaining consistency over long periods. Barriers to entry and growth. Starting a blog is relatively simple. The tools are accessible, and the learning curve is manageable. However, competition is intense, especially in popular niches. Ranking on search engines requires strategy, patience, and optimization. Podcasting has a different barrier. It requires confidence, communication skills, and the ability to consistently produce engaging audio content. Growth is slower, but often more stable once momentum builds. Both paths have challenges, but they reward different strengths. Blogging rewards technical strategy, while podcasting rewards personality and connection. Time investment and results. Another important factor is time. Blogging often requires a longer initial investment before results appear. It can take months for content to rank and generate traffic, but once it does, the returns can be long-lasting. Podcasting shows results differently. Audience growth may start small, but engagement builds steadily over time. The returns are more directly tied to consistency and presence. This creates a different kind of timeline. Blogging is slower to start but scales passively, while podcasting builds gradually but requires continuous effort to maintain growth. Which one makes more money? So which one actually makes more money? The answer is not as simple as choosing one over the other. It depends on the approach, the niche, and the strengths of the creator. Blogging has the advantage of passive income and long-term scalability. It can generate revenue consistently without daily involvement once established. Podcasting, on the other hand, has the advantage of strong audience relationships and higher value monetization opportunities per listener. In many cases, the highest earning creators do not choose between the two. They combine them. They use blogs to attract traffic and podcasts to build connection. This creates a powerful ecosystem where both methods support each other. In the end, podcasting and blogging are not competitors. They are tools, each with its own strengths, its own challenges, and its own path to profitability. The real advantage comes from understanding how they work and choosing the one that aligns with your goals and abilities. Or even better, learning how to use both together. Because in a world where attention is the most valuable currency, the creators who succeed are not the ones who choose a platform. They are the ones who understand the system behind it. And once that system is understood, making money is no longer a question of possibility. It becomes a matter of strategy.